it's Abby. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a get unready with me video. So basically I'm going to be going through my skincare routine and what I do when I am wearing a boatload of makeup that I need to remove. I've had a bunch of requests for like skincare videos or how I take my makeup off, so that's what we're doing today. And it is 1 o'clock in the morning, so pretty late. I am pretty tired. I am so ready to go to bed. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and to subscribe so you can check out my other videos when I upload. And other than that, let's just hop right on into the video. Okay, so the first thing that I always do is I put my hair up, because if you can't tell, my hair is long, like really long. I just hit my light behind me because my hair is so long. I'm actually going to do a like hair care video. It's probably going to be like 2 parts. So yeah, anyway, so I'm going to put my hair up, and my hair will probably look really bad when I put it up in a bun. It usually does, because for some reason my hair hates being in buns. I don't really know. I think my hair is just like really coarse or something. I have these like special hair ties like this. It literally looks like those things that everyone used to wear in like elementary school with like their keys on it and whatever. And it just like helps to grip my hair, because my hair is stubborn and acts stupid sometimes. So yeah, we're just gonna put my hair up. I need to do this like 5 times for it to actually stay. Okay, ew, I literally look like an egg, but... So next, I take my lashes off. Let me tell you, that is one of the best feelings in the entire world, is taking my lashes off. And then I go ahead and take my earrings off, because I hate like getting water on my earrings, if that makes sense. Also, a sad story, I lost my second earring. Like, my second earring was really the same as like all of these 4 or all of these 3, and it just poof, like I don't know where the heck it went. So now I have to go back to Claire's and get another one, because it's like the piercing earring, because I'm allergic to everything that's not white gold. So now I'm gonna have to go back and get the piercing earring so I can put it in, otherwise my hole's gonna close up and I'm gonna be extremely sad. I also don't know how the heck it popped out, because as gross as this may sound, I have literally not taken these 3 or this one out in, I'd say probably a good like year and a half. I sleep in them every night and they never come out. Like never ever. Like I've never had a problem, and I've had the second ones since 7th grade, and now I'm a senior, so it makes me really sad. So my ear looks like bald now. Okay, so notice how my shirt changed? Yeah, it's because I didn't want to get any makeup on my Shane Dawson merch, so I switched into my pajama sweatshirt. So anyway, we're gonna be moving on to the next step. I always take my Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm, and I love this stuff. It literally melts off your makeup. So you can see this is brand new. You can see it's just like 1 chunk taken out of it. So what I do with my nails, because if I just like dig in with my fingers, ooh, there's a hair section right now. If I just dig in with my fingers, it's gonna get stuck under my nails. So I always go like backwards, I guess. So it's on the back of my nail. And I'll do that like twice. Just get it on my fingers, rub it together a little bit so it starts melting, and straight to the face. Just watch, this stuff is literally like magic. Like, do you see this? Okay, so next, after we look all kinds of crazy, I'm going to be taking my Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. I am going to take it on like little cotton rounds. This is literally just like generic Meyer. I think it's like a 100 pack, and I love those. Those are literally like my favorite. I just take some on one of those things and just start wiping. As you can see, like it's literally just like coming right off. Okay, so with that, I've gotten the majority of the makeup off. There's still like a little bit around the lashes, just because I don't want to sit there and like scrub at it, because it kind of hurts if you scrub at it too much, you know, because like it's kind of a sensitive area. And also there's a little bit of staining, so it's not like makeup that hasn't been removed, it's just stained my face, so it's not gonna go away. But next step, I'm gonna be taking some antibacterial hand soap. Yes, antibacterial hand soap. And this is what we're going to be starting to wash our face with. This is probably a completely unnecessary step, but like I have kind of, well not kind of, okay, like I'm a huge germaphobe, like a huge germaphobe. And I'm also crazy about my skin, because if you don't know, my skin was awful for probably 6 years. Like I had bad skin for 6 years, so I went on Accutane that like pretty much fixed it. You know, I still get like few here and there. But other than that, like, it's pretty darn good. So I'm really crazy about like skincare and what touches my face. Like if anyone touches my face, I will lose my mind. I can literally like feel the germs sinking into my pores from someone's hand, and it's a little bit of an irrational fear, but that's why I use antibacterial hand soap. It like kills like 99.9% of germs. So I start with this just because it makes me feel better. Like that's pretty much like the basis of it. It's probably completely unnecessary, but it makes me feel a lot better knowing that I used it. So since this is my skincare routine, we're gonna use it. I literally just take like a few pumps, you know, rub it around and rub it on my face. Obviously, you know, with water. So I'm gonna quick run to the bathroom and wash like a normal person would with water, because I don't have a sink in my room where I film, so I'll be back. Okay, so the next thing I do is I take my Glow Recipe Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser, and this is the actual face wash I use, not the antibacterial thing. That's just a me thing. That's like, most people probably would not use that. But yeah, so I absolutely love this cleanser. It's one of the few that like really calms my face, and my face doesn't feel like dry and crusty after I use it. I am almost out, as you can see. There's like literally like the tiniest bit left, but I already have a backup waiting just because I love this so much. So I am going to put a few pumps into my hand, and I'm just going to do the same thing I did. I'm just going to do the same thing that I did with the last soap. Okay, so the next product I'm going to use is the Drunk Elephant TLC Sukari Baby Facial, and I absolutely love this product. So basically what it is a face mask, and it is a chemical exfoliant. So you will use 1 to 2 pumps, and you will apply it all over your face, avoiding the eye area. That is extremely important. And you will probably feel like a little bit of tingling, but don't worry, that's like completely normal. And 20 minutes later, you will take it off, and your skin will literally feel so smooth. So you're supposed to use this 1 to 2 times a week, and that is usually how often I use it. This is a sample size. I got it in like it was like one of those, you know, the things that they have at Sephora where it's like a bunch of products, but if they're smaller size and it's like cheaper and you could try a bunch of products, like type of thing. I got one of those from Drunk Elephant, and this was in it. I actually have the large size like waiting until I'm done with this one, and the large size retails for $80, I believe. This stuff is absolutely amazing. So I'm just going to 1, 2, that was like 2.5. So I'm just gonna start applying this to my face. Once again, like avoiding the eyes, like you can go around them, just don't get too close. So like I said, it will make your face tingle, and you can probably see my face getting a little bit red right now, which don't be alarmed, my face literally gets red over absolutely everything. But it will tingle, and that's why you don't want it in your eyes. Also, like I said, it is a chemical exfoliant, so you obviously don't want to exfoliate your eyes, you know? As you can see, it's like, it makes your skin like tacky, and you can see that there's kind of like a glowiness to my skin. I have it on like most of my fingers, so I need to avoid touching my phone with those fingers. But here, if you can see, we have a timer, and I'm gonna press start, and there we go, 20 minutes. So I will be back in 20 minutes. Okay, so it's been 20 minutes, so I rinsed that off with water, and next I'm going to be going in with the Neutrogena On The Spot Acne Treatment, and this is wonderful for the little unwanted guests that occasionally appear on your face, because like I said, even though I've been through Accutane, I still get like a few here and there, and recently my skin has not been too happy with me. I'm pretty sure it's because I've been up until like 3, 4 in the morning and haven't really gotten much sleep. I mean, at the moment there's really only like 2 spots, but I don't know. I prefer none, but I'm sure we'd all prefer none, so. And then I'm going to be taking my Vaseline Intensive Care Lotion, and this is really just like a basic moisturizer, but it is so good. It's not even necessarily like specifically a facial moisturizer, but I use it as that. My skin feels so smooth. Oh my god. That exfoliating mask, I swear, is literally one of the best things in the world. I mean, it's a little pricey, but it is absolutely incredible. But anyway, so when I was younger, I used to have really bad eczema. Like, I still get eczema sometimes, but it used to be like super bad when I was little, and my parents figured out that that lotion, the Vaseline Intensive Care, was like one of the few things that actually like helped it and really made it go away. So I started using it when I was on Accutane, and my skin was super duper dry, and it helped get rid of the dryness and stuff that I had all over my face. And ever since then, I've just kept on using it just because it's so good, and it doesn't make my face break out. It's like super inexpensive. It's really just like a basic like lotion, but I love it to use on my face. Like actually I use it all over my whole body. I use it right after I get out of the shower, and I use it every night and every morning when I wash my face. So 10 out of 10 would recommend that lotion. And then recently a new addition to my skincare routine has been the Glow Recipe Avocado Sleeping Mask, and I got like a sample size of it when I ordered a new bottle of the Glow Recipe facial wash. So I really wanted to try it because I've heard good things about the watermelon one. I do have a sample size, but I literally haven't touched it even though I've had it for a long time, so it's probably not even good anymore. But yeah, so I want to try this because I really love avocados. So I did really like the sample of it, and so Glow Recipe actually sent me this one. So here is the like mask itself. Comes in the cute little jar. It literally has like ridges on it, kind of like an avocado. And in the kit it comes with a little spatula just so you don't stick your fingers into the container. Okay, so it comes with a cute little spatula so you don't have to stick your fingers in the container. And it's supposed to be like a couple pea-sized drops. So we're just gonna, you know, grab that. I feel like that's probably too much, but like I do everything in excess, so I'm just gonna rub this all over. And it smells like really good and fresh. Good and fresh. It actually does though. It smells like really fresh, and oh, it smells really good. I don't know what avocados smell like. Like I've had plenty of avocados in my life, but I'm not really sure what they smell like, but it smells really good. Okay, so now we're just gonna leave that mask on overnight. In the morning you'll just wash it off and your skin will look amazing. Final step is I just have to take my hair down, because fun fact, sleeping with your hair up is not good for your hair. If you can tell, I literally have like kind of like bald patches right there because I used to always have my hair up when I would go to sleep, literally every single day, and I ripped my hair on my scalp. Oh, I look like a mess. Okay, so anyway guys, that is my skincare routine. Like I said, I don't use all the products every single night. It just depends. I did use them all today just because, you know, I needed to show you. But some of the products like the Drunk Elephant Sukari Baby Facial and the Avocado Sleeping Mask, you shouldn't use those every single night, just like once, twice a week, that kind of thing. But I used them both today. I don't usually use them like on the same night, but since I was doing a video and I had to show you, I used them both today. But yeah, so those are the products that I use on a regular basis. Those are the products that I absolutely love. I hope this video was helpful for you. I had a bunch of requests to do this video, and I've kind of wanted to do this video since my Accutane video like a year and a half ago. It is currently 3:02 in the morning and my camera's about to die, so I gotta go. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video once again, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.